If you want to make one professional looking e-commerce website, then this is the right course for you. In this course, we will going to teach you how you can create one professional looking e-commerce website for 100% free with the help of WordPress. You can see this is the website which we will going to create. This will be your home page. Here you can customize your logo and you can just customize each and everything, each and every elements. You can just customize the color, text, images, and almost everything without doing any coding. You just need to do drag and drop and you can customize your website according to your wish. So at very second section, you can see we have shop by categories. You can show all the categories which you sell in your e-commerce website. When you will scroll down here, you can mention the featured products. So here you can show all the featured products which you have featured so your customers can see it. And here we have this free shopping, dedicated support and money back guarantee text. You can also put this text total customizable. You can change the icon, color and everything. And then we have this popular this week tag. Here all your products will going to show which your potential customers will going to like very much. Now in this e-commerce website you can sell all kind of products, whether it's a physical product or digital product. You can see that this is the product and this is a digital product. If I will show you how this product will going to look, you can just click here and you can see this is how your products will going to look. Product name, price, benefits, quantity, add to wishlist option, and then here you can provide description. Your potential customers can review this product after they will purchase it. Here at the very right you can see the images for your products, so people can click here and they can zoom it from here. Okay, they can click on this next so that they can see other products. So if you will click on next, so you can see you can now see other variable products also. So this is just a dummy website which we have created to teach you guys. Now you can also provide different attributes. For example, if your customer wants black color or let's say red color with different size, so all will going to show here. Like you can see red color with a small size will going to cost $7 to your potential customers. If they will take black with small, you will be able to charge them $9. So this is how you can do as well for all your different attributes for your products. Super simple. And guys, don't worry, this website is very easy to operate. You don't require any coding. It is that simple. We will going to teach you each and everything inside this course. So please buy now this course. It will actually going to help you a lot. If you again go to home page, you can go to your home page again. From here you can also click on your logo to go again to your website homepage. You can see now, if you will see the very last section, we have this follow us on Instagram section. Here you can provide your all Instagram images. You can even add more images if you want to. So after someone will going to click any of this image, they can go to your Instagram page and they can follow you there as well. So it will help you to increase Instagram followers as well. So at very bottom we have these things. You can put your business logo, your business name, description, short description for your business social channels, quick links, extras link, and it is total customizable. Whatever you want to add, you can add it. You have newsletter section. Here your potential customers can subscribe. You will going to receive their email and you can even nurture them for further sales. So this will going to help you ultimately to generate sales for your business. If you will again go up, so at very top we have this shop section. So here your potential customers can click and then they can go to shop page of your website. Here they can filter everything by price, categories, by colors, by size, by text, and here all your products will going to show. So right now, as I said, it is a dummy website, so that's the reason here these images we have put. Now one more thing, we have provided you all the images which we have used to create this website for absolutely free. So if you don't want to put your own image, then you can use this image as well, but it's totally up to you. You can also add more products and you can show your products image only, so it's totally up to you. And this website is 100% customizable, 100% responsive. That means it is mobile friendly, desktop friendly, as well as tablet friendly. If you will go to blogs, so in the blog section we have given you this blog facility so that you can create blogs and get some extra free traffic from search engine like Google, Yahoo. So people can visit to your blog as well, and chances will be very high that they can even convert to customers. So it is very great way to get free traffic. In this course, we have also provided you all the amazing video lectures on how you can do blogging for absolutely free. So you will going to get lots of amazing resources inside this course, so please make sure that you enroll inside this course. Now here as a demo we have only put one blog, but when you will going to put more blogs, it will going to show up here. Okay, when you will click on contact, so here you can provide your contact form, email, phone number and many things. So you can see this is your contact us page. You can provide your address, phone number, contact us, map, your social networks. When you will go to track order, so here your potential customers can track their order after they will going to purchase from your website. So when your potential customers will going to purchase from your website, they will going to get one special order ID which they have to put here, and they have to also put their email address which they have used to buy from your website, and then they can track their order. So this is a track order feature, and here you can see this search bar. So here your potential customers can search for any product they want inside your website, and here is the wish list section. So for example, if you will go to shop, here you can see at every products we have this shop icon. Here you can see, so this is a wish list option. So if your customer think that he loves this product, so he can just put this product inside the wish list so that he can purchase your product in future. So all these wish list products will going to show inside this wish list section. So right now we don't have any wish list product, so that's the reason no product is showing here. And here is the account where people can register or log in your website, and we have this card. Okay, so this is the complete e-commerce website which you will be able to create inside this course. So make sure you guys enroll inside this course if you find this website very much interesting. So I will see you inside this course guys. Bye bye.